Welcome to the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John and we're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time, guys. And today we've got just a simple little video, but I think it might make a big difference. See, I've got my Z71 truck here, and we've also got the Z71 Traverse. But there's something that the trucks have and the Tahoes have that the Traverse just doesn't have. And that's the Z71 badging on the side. Now, I've read a lot of people think that's a good thing, you know, but I kind of wish it had that on there. So I've got in this box something cool, little Amazon special here. Z71 badges. Now they have these in a bunch of different colors. Actually, originally got these for my truck. You'll see them go on there soon enough too. But honestly, I want to see what they look like on here. I really think it'll make a cool difference. So we'll put that on here, see what it looks like. Let's go ahead, take these out of the package. You may have something different in mind. Maybe you've got a Tahoe or a pickup. And let's see how these kind of, I guess, aftermarket badges line up with the real thing. So these are stock, came with the truck. Let's see what these look like compared to that. Okay, so I've got this here in my hand. It is just plastic, but it doesn't look bad. Let me hold it up to here. There we go. It looks really good against the silver. That's kind of what I plan on it looking like with my truck. I've got, you know, black bumpers, and every now and then there's a touch of red, like on the Trail Boss back there. There's a touch of red on these tow hooks, and so I think a touch of red would look good. And I think the Z71 would show up better, not silver, but I decided that I want these on the Traverse instead. But I think we can tell that really these are nearly an exact 1-to-1. If they're off, it is by the smallest of margins. And so if you want to, you know, swap your truck out or car with that, I'm gonna hold the camera out a little bit farther. Then these are a good size. Now, they just attach with double-sided tape. And you say, is that gonna hold it? That's what's holding this one up too. And so our plan is to put it right here. So now they do have gloss black, all black. They've got silver that looks like this. They've got one with blue. They've got a black and silver. They've got a bunch of different kinds. And I'll leave a link in the description. They're like 30 bucks. So we're not talking about any huge amount of money, but we're going to get some alcohol, wipe down really good right here. We get some masking tape to kind of keep with this line here, because that's what I want to line it up with. And I'll show you all that in just a second. Okay, so I did the other side. I'll show you what it looks like after we put this on. I wanted to make sure, I just barely put it on there, make sure I like it. I pulled it off, put it on a few times, let my wife look at it. This is her ride. She liked it, and so if she likes it, it must be pretty cool. So before I show you what it looks like, we are going to do this side. So we're going to take, I like the microfiber claws. We are going to put some alcohol on here. We're just going to rub it down really good. We want our double-sided tape to stick to the paint, not to any wax or dirt or anything like that. So we just want to scrub it pretty hard. So if you wax your car or run it through, you know, automatic car wash, we'll make sure there's no, you know, the fibers. We want to make sure that wax gets off just so it sticks on there good. And I had tried using tape to mark this as a straight line, but this line isn't actually straight, and so it looked weird. And so I just eyeballed it and just kept making micro adjustments. As long as you don't shove this tape on real good, you can pull it off. So let's go ahead and get this on there. All right, so we've got our badge here. We're just going to remove our double-sided tape off the back. This does seem like it's good stuff. And we'll just kind of work it around till we get it off. All right, now stuff's really, really sticky. So we're just gonna keep eyeballing it. I'm gonna just kind of barely put the top on and go back and look, go back and look, go back and look, and adjust until we got it right where we want it. There we go. Just a little pop of red. We'll get all this stuff off and get some glamour shots. So that's it for today's video. I know it didn't take long, but I do think it made a big difference. And a lot of people think that these look like Tahoes, especially the new ones. And with that badge on, it really, to me, I mean, really makes this thing look like a Tahoe. Not what we're really going for, but I mean, who doesn't like the Tahoes? So I think it made a big difference. Looks really cool. Some of you are gonna hate this. Hey, I get it. We all got our own unique style. If you didn't like it, let me know in the comments. And if you love it, also let me know. And have you seen these and thought about doing it as well? Like I said, I'm also going to get a set of these, put them on the truck. And so very soon we'll be doing that as well. Also, my 6.2 liter badges over there are black. I'd like those to be silver. So lots of little bitty stuff coming. And I've got some huge stuff too. So don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you. And all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good pools. God bless.